Hey people, I thought I'll make this video because the, the news that we all know, this morning, director Raj Kaushal, who who had directed Pyar Mein Kabhi Kabhi, that movie starring Rinki Khanna. It was the launch film of Rinki Khanna. So he passed away through cardiac arrest this morning, and he was just 49. So I don't know. It's normally when a film personality passes away. I mean, it's like the connect. You feel like as if you know them, though you won't have obviously known them. This movie. This is the first time I've seen that a director passing away has impacted me so much. I mean, uh, because so that's what I just wanted to make this video to say that this movie, when it was released, Pyar Mein Kabhi Kabhi, it had the song Musu Musu Hasi. It's apparently a Nepalese song, the lyrics. And this song, each time it would play, no matter where I was in the house, like could be in the bathroom, I could be in the kitchen, this thing, I'd come running to come and stand in front of the TV. It was like a joke in the house, that. So, and this director, he gave Vishal Dadlani, the music director, a break, through his film. So I don't know, it really affected me hearing this news, and the fact that they have a child of their own, of like they have a son, and then they chose to adopt a little daughter also. So, like they say, right? Good people go fast, go early. So really, Raj Kaushal sir, thank you for the films you made, because it changed a whole generation. That song, na, wo pehli baar. So it's from this particular movie, Pyar Mein Kabhi Kabhi. So thank you, sir. It's like a tribute. So on that note, thanks for watching.